Welcome to the weekly challenge video 3. Now this week I'm going to give an interesting topic. You're going to just speak about your practice pace that you have, whatever it could be. You could say about your drums, which drum you're using and what sticks that you're using, and more particularly you should explain about your practice pace, like what you have inside your practice pace. Okay, it could be just explaining of what are the tools that you use to practice and what are the other equipments that you have when you sit to practice. It need not be super big things, but anything that you have, you could explain it in a short video. Okay, so now here's my presentation of this weekly challenge. I'm just doing this so that you would have an idea of what you need to do. Here it goes. My name is Paul and I've been using the Tama Superstar Classic drum kit with the ZIL and K cymbals, and this is my practice space. This is a set that I use to play, perform, as well as record videos, as well as practice, take classes at the same time. Tama is really great drum. Basically I use this setup. I've been using two toms, but as of now I'm just sticking with a single tom just to be a little more creative and do some stuff. And the snare and the tom, I use the ZIL and K cymbals, the ZIL and K custom ones. They crash and they ride, as well as a few silken cymbals, one for the splash and other one for the stack cymbal. And when it comes to my practice space, and this is what I have over here, I use this laptop for seeing the notes and practicing when I do, and also I have the TV over there which I use there to watch drum videos and practice at the same time. Also I use this small board sometimes to write notes on my own. Like, paper is good, but I do follow this putting things in this board, marking and doing them. Sometimes I play music and practice at the same time, so this is a mixer which I use to play music, and all the mics from there are connected to here, and whatever song or music that you want to play, you could just plug in your mobile and get this thing. And headphones which I use, I forgot the name actually. Honestly, I forgot the name. This is not Shure company. This is another one. Maybe I'll just check it and let you know. So yeah, so this is what I use to listen to the songs and practice at the same time. And I always record when I practice. So this is the camera which I use for recording. During the classes, you used to see me through a video camera, right? So this is the camera which I use, as well as I always sit here and record my practice videos. If I want to play something, like not in headphones, but I want to play my recording and listen how it sounds, I have another amplifier over there which I used to play and see like how I did in the recording and how I did it. Okay, fine. So yeah, this is my practice page. So do send a short video of yourself explaining your practice space and what are the other things that you use inside your practice space. Thank you. Have a great time. This is going to be your weekly challenge 3. You may take 2 weeks time. Like, I think the exams have started for many students and I know you're busy, but so just take 2 weeks time and send your videos. Okay, thank you. Bye.